Is this your first public library of Brookline To-Go program? Here's how it works. Each month, the library is offering new take-home program kits, complete with everything you need to follow along and video or written instructions created by one of your local librarians. The best part? Absolutely no due dates. You can keep everything included in your kit.
Visit brklib.com/togo for a full list of our current kit offerings and follow the link there, or visit brklib.com/eventbrite to reserve yours for free pickup at any library location. Now let's get crafting.
Hi! Hello, friends. My name is Miss Caroline from the Coolidge Corner Library, and I am so happy that you have joined me for this month's take-home craft. In your craft this month, you will have found 2 hole-punched animal tracings, 2 spools of yarn, and 1 plastic safety needle. All right, let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we are going to thread our needle. So you're going to take one of your spools and detach the piece of yarn that is wound around the front here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold the yarn around the needle like so. Here to here. Then you're going to slide it off, keeping the loop that you have made in between your pointer finger and your thumb. Then you're going to push that loop through the front of the needle and pull it out. And now you are going to start sewing. What I am doing here is a simple cross stitch. So I'm pushing the needle out and then moving it down, pulling it through, pushing the needle out and pulling it down, making it the shape of an X or a cross. We want all of our winter animal friends to be nice and warm. Here we go. So again, down and out, down and out. And voila! There's my friend the moose. Here we go. And again, you can do whatever pattern you'd like. You can also carry your stitch over the edges of the cardboard animal itself. So you could go over here if you wanted him to be extra warm over his shoulders or around his tummy here or between his arms, his front legs right here. Now, let's take a look and do our friend the squirrel. Here we go. So we're going to go through again. And I'm going to get myself a nice long string. And let's review. Remember, you take your needle and your thread, you fold it over, pull it around, and then you push it through the front of the needle there. Alrighty, and then you simply find a likely spot and start sewing. So through the front, and back through to the back. And there's our friend, Mr. Squirrel. All you need to do now is snip the threads on the back of each one here, and your animals are ready to go on adventures together. Alrighty, thank you, friends. Goodbye.
Thank you all so much for crafting with us today. We would love to see what you made with your kit, so please feel free to share your project with us on social media using the hashtag #MakeYourOwnStory.
The Craft Along program is generously sponsored by the library trustees and the Friends of the Brookline Public Library.
From all of us here at the library, we miss you and wish you happy making.